Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the column type for your columns and boards on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to the workspace here and select this board for demonstration purposes. So let me go with the table view here so that we may see these projects and items listed below. And here you will see these columns ranging from project to date, for example, here to the right. So if you'd like to change the column type, you may do that by clicking into these three dots in the top right corner of the given column name. Hover your mouse over change column type and select one of these available or applicable column types. Let me go with, I don't know, status. Wait for a brief moment and then decide whether you'd like to keep the new column type or click into cancel and wait for the converting to be finished. And that's basically it. Now, it doesn't work for each and every column type. For example, if I select formula here, I won't have that option here, change column type, as you can see. So it works for some of these. Column types, but not for all of them, guys. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.